Hi everyone, I am Shravana and welcome back to my channel Sparkling Future. Before starting with today's topic, request all of you to subscribe to my channel and also please like, share, comment and hit the bell icon for the latest video notifications. Thank you. I hope you have installed Anaconda or Spider or any other like Databricks Community Edition account. You have it ready. If not, please do so to learn the Python programming. So let's start writing some basic program and see how exactly we can write the Python. Okay, Python scripting. So how to hello world. First, for any language, we have to start with hello world. So just once you save it, here it will show that hello world. Okay, so this is how we'll print a like program. This is the program, we can say this is the hello world program in Python. No need of any main or object name, class name, without anything. It works this way. Okay, and if you see here, this hash is there, right? This is the single line comment. Hash is used for single line comment, and these double quotes, 3 double quotes are used for multi-line commenting purpose. So this is for single line commenting and this is for multi-line commenting. Inside that, whatever you write will be comments. Okay, and next, so let's say instead of printing like that, let's create a variable called a here. Okay, here if you notice, I have not given any like a of int or val var or what is the type of it. I have not specified that. Okay, and then just to do print a, print ln is not there, just print is present in Python. So just run it, and once you run this, you can see that hello world is being printed here because twice, because here we have this print and as well this printing this variable, right? Because of that reason. And here if you notice, this is called as variable explorer in this one spider. Okay, so why I am writing here is I can clearly show you about the data types here. Because of that reason I am explaining it in spider today, but usually you wherever you want, you can execute all these Python statements like in Databricks or in any of the IDEs that you have. You can run and check all these variables. Okay, so now if you see here, name is a. What is a variable name? Variable name is a. And what is the type? String. So because we have mentioned it inside the double quotes, it has considered as string. And what is the size of it? If you see size, it has taken 11 bytes because it has 11 words. Each has 1 byte, so it has taken 11 bytes. And what is the value of that string? What is the string? Variable name, and the value is hello world. Okay, so this is how this easy. Okay, Python is this much easy. And now let's say let's create, we will see what are the standard data types. Okay, standard data types available in Python. So like any other language, it has number, string, float, boolean, list, tuple and dictionary. Dictionary is actually map. If you know Scala map or Java map, you can clearly relate that with dictionary in Python. Okay, so now here we have seen how string behaves. So here we can either use the double quotes or we can use single quote as well. Okay, so if you are starting with double quote, you have to end with double quote. If you are starting with single quote, you have to end with single quote. Okay, so that is the string type. Okay, so we have seen string here, data type. Okay, so next one is, let's say I have a variable called b equal to 1, and I say print b. Okay, and run this. And if you see here in the variable explorer, the value b, variable name has come here and the type is integer. You can see here, right? Because it is an integer, it has considered the type internally by as int, and the size of it is 1 and the value of that is 1. Okay, so now let's say we have a value called c something. Okay, I am taking 10.5, some float. Okay, some float. If I take and print b and then run this, here you can see, right, in the variable explorer, value is the name of the variable is c. It is a float type. Okay, we have not specified anything like any other language, right? We have to mention what type is, at least is it a variable or val or var, anything we have to specify. Here nothing. Okay, it will consider based on the value that we have provided, and the size is only 1 byte it has considered because only one value, and the value of that c is 10.5. okay, and let's say there is a variable called I am Python. Okay, and let's print a plus a1. Because these two are strings, it will do the concatenation. Okay, a plus a1. Hello world, I am Python. If you can see here, I was actually checking for here, then I noticed that this is the variable explorer. If we have assigned this to a variable, then of course it will print it here. Okay, let's say b1 equal to a plus a1, then print b1, and then now run it, and now here you can see b1 hello world I am Python. Because here I was a bit confused again why it is not coming up here, then only I noticed that we have not assigned that to any variable, and this variable explorer is only to show the variables. So here it has printed hello world I am Python. Okay, so this is how we can do the string concatenation. And like in now there is a string called hello world, right? So now for any string, for anything we say 11. So for this 11 size there will be indexes, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, something like that. Because 0 to 10 it is total 11. So now if you wanted to get the position, okay, position like index of the value, then how you can do is, it's as easy as that you just give a of 1 and it will give e, because in the second it starts with 0 and the second one is e. Okay, so now it's clear, right? So now if I give a of 0 and if I run it, and it has printed h. In this console, this right side there is one, right? This is the console, and it has printed the h, because h is the first 0th index in the string a. We are taking from a, right? Because of that a of 0, it is h. And let's say you wanted to print entire string, let's say. I mean, of course you can do, but if you wanted to have something after some position. Now 1 and this colon I am giving. Now let me run this. And you can see, right, h has been ignored and it has printed the remaining remaining word. Okay, so this is how we can read the strings. This, see the speciality of Python, like you can read something like this, and let's say you want only from particular index 0 to 4 only you need, then what you have to do, you just have to give 0 colon 4 and it will give hell. Oh my god, it's giving hell. Okay, so now from a string like this, there is a string, whichever index you want you can very easily get using this brackets, okay, square braces. Okay, and concatenation we have seen. So here string, integer, float we have seen, and we have seen how to do the concatenation of the strings. And let's say there is a variable called true, d, and I am assigning it to true. So in Python it's case sensitive, and t should be caps for considering this as a boolean, otherwise it will consider this as string only. Okay, and f equal to, let's say, false. Now print d comma f. Okay, if you see here, it has taken boolean, bool, you can see, right? It's bool, it has taken d and f, true false are the values. So integer, string, float and boolean, like this. These are the basic data types available in Python. So friends, let's start with this, and slowly we can see the special data types like tuple, this one dictionary, list in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video, friends. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting learnings. Thank you.